Ahoy hoy, welcome back to another year of Gavin's Grotty guitars. All the previous ones, and two more, which will be obvious, were filmed in 2020. Now I'm going to put a date they were actually filmed down here somewhere. This week we have a really interesting thing.
Is this the world's most evil guitar?
No. Alright, anyway, this is the third time I've recorded this, hopefully this time with sound. The reasons being, first of all, the camera was off at a very funny angle. I hope it's at the right angle now. I can't tell because it's just one camera and just me in my lockdown still. You can see that the hair's got longer, isn't it gorgeous? The last time I had hair this long, it was 1995. I probably weighed half as much as I do now, and my hairline was a lot better. The beard's good though. So this is an astonishing and strange guitar. It is, as you'll probably guess from the title, an SG. It's an Epiphone SG. But the bottom of it is the first thing that should drag your eyes down and go, what on earth is that? Looks like a bat wing or something satanic. It is an Epiphone SG G-400
Xtreme.
That's with an X, not with an E at the beginning. First started in 2002. Finished in 2004. They called it the Gothic series at the end. What's special about it? Quite a lot. First of all, it's the shape. It's a mahogany body, so it's a nice, good, solid thing. We'll put the thickness up here because I don't know the thickness off the top of my head, but it seems about the right thickness for a Strat. Let's call it 45 off the top of my head. Am I right? Whatever. The second thing that you should be noting is that it has a whammy bar. It has got a Floyd Rose, a licensed chap in there, which is rather good. The third thing I hope you see is the diamond plate here. That's not fake diamond plate. Diamond plate is a checkered style of metallic, usually flooring, in warehouses and stockyards so you don't fall over. It's darn thick and weighs a ton. It's steel diamond plate, so it adds a lot of weight to this guitar. If you've got really good eyesight and we zoom in, or I do a sort of thing zoom out, you'll notice something funny about the headstock as well. It appears to be off to one side. It's called a dove wing, apparently. Not really sure why. Apparently the E series, which this was part of, had all of these headstocks off to one side. It's a bit like Cheech Marin's moustache. And then there's the thing that really will start your arguments up. It's a bolt-on neck. Now, I love SGs. I think they're, yet again through mistake, one of the best guitars there is. But one of the important parts of the SG is the fact that it's a glue-in neck. Might not be the best glue-in neck, but it's a glue-in neck. This is bolt-on, but I'm not too upset about that. Why is that? I can't imagine the body holding together if you had a Floyd Rose and a glue-in neck on an SG, because it's too thin. So And because of the cut of this, there's no real problem about access. You're all the way up there. The neck is maple. It's apparently called the super smooth finish. I call it gloss. It's gloss. It's not satin. Or Satan. But, I'm sorry. It's a nice, smooth neck. Dots. Could have put something a little more evil on there, but you know, let's save that for the Tommy Iommi one. The pickups have got a nice stamped E brand. They're super high output. And the other strange thing, one control, volume, and one selector, which is very odd for an SG. The most odd thing about this, though, is when you turn it on. It's got an amazingly good, clean sound to it. Now, you'll notice how I'm sitting with this. Was I subconsciously, through the powers of evil, persuaded into taking some of this design to make the Doomcaster? Who knows, maybe only evil does. But it's comfortable. The balance is alright. And as with, you may not know this, the horns on the top of the SG, I always thought were even, and just came up the same height. They're not. They're off a bit. Unfortunately, so's the bottom, so when you put it down, it doesn't actually sit straight either. But this is the astonishing thing. Here's the neck. Try the bridge. Nice, it's got a little bit more quack in there. These are good pickups. I really wouldn't change them. But what does it sound like, of course, if you put the... Sounds good. It's the Governor. Well, it's good. I'm obviously not a chugger. It does what it says on the tin. And the reason for that is actually half decent pickups and the thing's built properly. I picked it up online because I thought it looked funny and odd for around £100. Oh, I can't find them for £100. Where do you find them for £100? Because I look around and I don't spend £200 on a guitar. And it was a while back. They go now for around 350, 400, and I think they should. It's a great guitar made out of great materials. This one's got a few little, scratches and knocks on it. It does weigh a bit more than a Strat, but the fact also remains, this works, especially on the clean channel, thanks to decent pickups. Most guitars, I think, chuck those pickups out and put something half decent in. These are great at what they do. If you see one and it's something you need, do pick one of these up. I think they're fabulous. Hopefully that's got all the information on this, so it can now finally go upstairs and I don't need to re-record this video again. Until next time, please like and subscribe. There's the subscribe button down there. It's the one with a fish on. More videos are there, and here's time for a cat. Toodle pip.